Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best leave-in conditioner is probably one of the most versatile and essential hair care products for women seeking effortless style and lasting hydration, transforming dry, frizzy, or unmanageable hair into a smooth, lustrous mane with just a few sprays or a small dollop, making it an indispensable part of any beauty routine for achieving salon-quality results at home. Number 5. Milkshake Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Tired of knots and tangles? Our leave-in conditioner spray is designed to make detangling a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating brushing sessions. Specifically formulated for natural hair, this spray nourishes and softens. It helps to enhance your hair's natural texture and beauty. Experience instant softness and a healthy shine with every use. It leaves your hair feeling smooth, manageable, and looking radiant. Enjoy the benefits without the weight. This lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue behind. Simply spray it on damp or dry hair and comb through. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine for effortless styling. What we like? This spray is designed to effortlessly detangle your natural hair. Its lightweight formula ensures no heavy buildup. If you have natural hair and struggle with knots, this is a great option for easy combing. What people say? This conditioner is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and manageable. I love how this conditioner detangles my hair without weighing it down. My hair has never looked so healthy and shiny since I started using this leave-in conditioner. Number 4. Luseta Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you struggling with dry and damaged hair? Our Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Shampoo and Conditioner Set is here to help. It's designed to bring life back to your locks. Experience intense hydration with the power of hyaluronic acid. This formula deeply moisturizes each strand, combating dryness from root to tip. Enriched with nourishing argan oil and shea butter, this set provides essential nutrients. These ingredients work together to soften and smooth your hair. Our shampoo and conditioner are sulfate-free, ensuring a gentle cleansing experience. They are also paraben-free, making them a safe choice for your hair. Specifically formulated for women, this set targets common hair concerns. Achieve healthier, more manageable hair with consistent use. Each bottle contains 16.9 ounces, providing ample product for extended use. Enjoy the benefits of this revitalizing treatment for a long time. What we like? This set offers intense moisture for dry and damaged hair. It's formulated without sulfates, making it gentle yet effective. If your hair feels parched and needs significant repair, this hydrating duo is a perfect choice. What people say? The shampoo creates a rich, gentle lather that cleans my hair thoroughly without making it feel dry or stripped. It removes buildup while still keeping my scalp feeling fresh and balanced. The conditioner is just as great. It's thick and creamy, making it easy to distribute evenly through my hair. After rinsing, my hair feels noticeably softer, smoother, and much easier to detangle. I also notice less frizz and a healthy shine after styling. I wish I made this switch years ago. Hair loss wear? Not a problem at all. Luseta is amazing and improves the health of your hair. Smells great too. Helps with frizz and dry hair. Amazing if you also color your hair. It doesn't strip out the color as bad as other color-safe products. It leaves my hair feeling clean, soft, and much more manageable without weighing it down. I've noticed added volume and a healthier look overall, which is a big plus for thinning hair. The scent is light and pleasant, and I like that it's sulfate and paraben-free. A little goes a long way, so the bottles last. Number 3. Keranique Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Are you struggling with thinning hair and looking for a solution? Discover a gentle yet effective way to support hair growth and repair. This set is designed to bring life back to your locks. Infused with powerful ingredients like keratin and biotin, this formula works to strengthen your hair from the root. It helps combat breakage and promotes a healthier scalp environment. Say goodbye to limp, lifeless hair. Our lightweight formula is designed to add volume and thickness, making your hair appear fuller and more vibrant. Feel the difference with every wash. Specifically formulated for those experiencing hair thinning, this set provides essential nutrients. It supports scalp health and encourages the appearance of thicker, more abundant hair. Harness the power of our exclusive keratin amino complex. This advanced blend works to repair and strengthen, giving you the confidence of healthier-looking hair. Enjoy the invigorating sensation of menthol and niacinamide as they work to revitalize your scalp. This refreshing experience is the first step towards achieving your hair goals. What we like. Experience enhanced volume and strength with this set. It's specifically formulated to support thinning hair without weighing it down. If you're looking to add body and resilience to finer hair, this is the solution for you. What people say. Leaves my hair with more volume and stimulation on my scalp, feels tingly and calming. My hair is softer and has less shedding. Makes hair thick and actually helps grow hair. After using it only once, my hair already felt 10 times better than it usually does. My hair typically feels very dry and crinkly for lack of better words, yet it felt so soft and smooth after one wash. Number 2. Luseta Salon Rosemary Oil Hair Repair Set. Discover the power of Luseta Salon's Rosemary Oil Hair Repair Set. This set is designed to revitalize your hair, leaving it stronger and healthier. Our shampoo and conditioner are sulfate-free, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleanse. It's perfect for women seeking a nourishing hair care experience. Experience the benefits of acidic bonding technology. This helps to strengthen your hair from within, reducing breakage and improving overall resilience. Specifically formulated to address hair loss concerns. This routine works to promote thicker, fuller-looking hair with consistent use. Infused with rosemary oil, this set deeply nourishes and repairs damaged strands. It's your go-to for a complete hair repair routine. Each bottle contains 16.9 ounces, providing you with ample product for an extended hair care journey. Enjoy salon-quality results at home. What we like. This set focuses on combating hair loss and repairing damage. Its acidic bonding technology helps strengthen hair from within. If you are concerned about hair fall and want to fortify weakened strands, consider this targeted treatment. What people say. They don't have any bad smell like some natural oil-based products might have. The shampoo lathers O.K to good level and you don't need much to make a good lather. These did not fade the color of my color-treated hair, something that I specifically watched and made sure. Number 1. Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Discover the secret to beautifully defined curls. Our leave-in conditioner is designed to bring out the best in your natural texture. Experience deep hydration that combats frizz and leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Say goodbye to tangles and hello to smooth, healthy-looking curls. Help restore damaged strands and protect your hair from everyday stressors. It works to strengthen and revitalize your curls from root to tip. Achieve a natural, healthy shine that turns heads. This formula enhances your hair's luster, making it look vibrant and full of life. Enriched with the nourishing power of pomegranate and honey, it provides essential nutrients for optimal hair health. Enjoy the benefits of these natural ingredients. Specifically crafted for curly hair types, it acts as a fantastic detangler and treatment. It simplifies your routine while delivering exceptional results. What we like. Specifically crafted for curly hair, this conditioner helps manage frizz and enhance natural shine. It provides the moisture curly textures need to look their best. If you have curls and want a product that defines and smooths, this is an excellent pick. What people say. This conditioner is a game changer for my dry, frizzy hair. It leaves my hair feeling incredibly soft and manageable without any greasy residue. I love how this leave-in conditioner protects my hair from heat styling. It makes blow drying so much easier and my hair looks healthier and shinier. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly and doesn't weigh my fine hair down. It provides excellent detangling and leaves my hair smelling amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.